Welcome to the first of the Data Vault video snippets. This is Justin Small, Tesh Global Engineer and Certified Data Vault Practitioner. I'll be guiding you through a brief look at the Data Vault methodology. As we discussed during the webinar, Data Vault is a system of BI containing everything you need to accomplish enterprise vision in data warehousing and information delivery. Its aim is to completely automate the loading of your data lake through simple, easy, repeatable, and flexible structures, a scale-free architecture, and standards, rules, and best practices. For example, ABC Carpentry might want to use the Data Vault in order to enable business users to answer valuable questions like how much building material do we have on hand? What's the most popular cabinet design we sell? What are our average sales per month? And what do our customer profiles look like on a geographic, age, and purchase history basis? Instead of creating data silos to answer these questions, Data Vault allows you to create a unified hub of all your data, the central source of truth for all your business data. Why hasn't this already been done? Well, data exists in different sources in different formats: customer, product, inventory, sales, and Data Vault gives common keys to the data to allow different types of data, such as IoT data and weblog data, to be integrated with more traditional relational databases. This can enable businesses to explore data in new ways and in business domains that were previously lacking data visibility. This exploration can lead to the ability to answer business-related questions that inform business decisions that ultimately will lead to a more efficiently run organization. That said, how do we go about building a data vault? Well, there are 4 key areas within the methodology: planning, data vault build-out methodology, governance, and activation. The first phase, planning, involves the alignment of business objectives with the scope of your data project. Data and information priorities must be identified and approached organically in order of importance. After key data has been identified, the analytic information requirements have to be identified. This help determines the product scope, and since the data vault is meant to be built out incrementally, the scope should be small and manageable. Having too large of scope can quickly kill a data vault project and demoralize business-level stakeholders. After the project has been scoped, planning of resources and sprints must be done, along with clarifying the chosen architecture for your data pipelines. The next step is the actual build-out of the data vault. The data vault methodology involves ingesting source data into the staging area. Between source and staging, business keys are hashed, duplicates are removed, and other hard rules are applied. The staged data is then loaded into the raw data vault. Once the data is in the raw data vault, business vault, pit, and bridge tables can be generated to produce a raw information mart. This raw mart is the basis for business users and technical data analysts to produce raw reports. These reports are used in the requirements gathering meetings and give business users a hands-on look at what data is available to them. From these meetings, a raw target is identified, and any pit and bridge tables needed to support this target are created. Data Vault rules for data quality, business processes, and other soft rules are identified before the data is sent into the information mart. After the raw vault has been populated and used in requirements gatherings discussions, you're ready to activate your data. Data activation involves applying soft rules to your data, and this is where data really turns into helpful information. After soft rules are applied, the data can be loaded into the business vault, which contains the bridge and pit structures used by your information mart. And the information mart structures are then virtualized as views from your business vault, and the process of continuous improvement can begin. Data cleaning needs can be identified, gaps can be found, and further opportunities for analysis can be identified. Along the way, the need for data governance will probably have been felt. Governance involves capturing metadata about each data source. The general quality of the data source should be established. Data dictionaries should be created which provide context pertaining to the business and technical use of the data. Data quality rules and business rules should also be documented and stored in a metadata repository, and a glossary needs to be established to support the use of information marts and dictate accessibility rules. Auditing the source data should be done regularly, and data lineage should be established. And there you have it. One thing to note is that after the initial build-out of your data vault, if certain prerequisites have been met, projects can achieve one-day sprints. That means with a properly scoped business requirement and data vault entities modeled, new source data can be ingested and then turned into valuable business information suitable for user acceptance testing in one day. That means that in a matter of one day, ABC Carpentry's leadership can look at this report and know where the majority of their customers live by state. That is the power of the Data Vault and its ability to scale, adapt, and grow with your business needs. Stay tuned for our next video snippet on the Data Vault, and until then, thank you for watching. See you next time.